And we did just take out this filter that was pretty dirty. So, what we got?
Yeah, sounds about right.
Yeah. Alright, let's go head outside. True. You're looking at
Low. A little bit low where you left it.
still the same. Yeah, it's pretty much the same.
Oh, dude, this thing's filthy. And then when you pull that down, it sparked it.
Well, I hope you guys can see that. So that orange wire is no longer connected. So that's cool. That guy, no longer connected. And this capacitor is shy. It doesn't read anything. It's only running because of the hard start. Guys, that was it. Presented her with a few options. We gave her the first option was just to get the unit, you know, up to par, which was going to replace that wiring, replace that capacitor, throw some MO99 in there, just to kind of get it through the summer. First option. Second option was going to be all those plus leak sealant, to maybe, you know, 50-50 shot of it, maybe getting another year or two out of it. Or third option was system replacement. They decided to go with the third option. So tomorrow I will get some